Jumping in puddles, more than just a splash. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and playful expression, jumping in puddles. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or just curious about English idioms and phrases, you're in the right place. This seemingly simple activity is packed with meaning, and we're here to explore it all. So, let's get started and jump right in. Jumping in puddles refers to the physical act of leaping into small pools of water, typically left on the ground after rain. This activity is most commonly associated with children who, wearing boots or not, enjoy the splash and the mess created by their jump. It's a universal childhood experience, recognized and cherished in many cultures around the world. The joy, freedom, and the playful rebellion against staying clean and dry are what make this simple act so memorable. But jumping in puddles goes beyond just wet socks and giggles. Symbolically, it represents joy, freedom, and the innocence of childhood. It's about seizing the moment, embracing life's small pleasures, and not being afraid to get a little dirty in the pursuit of happiness. For adults, the phrase can evoke nostalgia, reminding them of a time when life was less complicated and joy could be found in the simplest of activities. In English, jumping in puddles can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it can describe what someone is doing, especially in a playful or carefree context. Metaphorically, it might be used to encourage someone to take a chance, to enjoy life's small moments, or to not worry too much about the consequences of minor risks. It's a vivid phrase that brings to mind clear imagery and emotions, making it a powerful tool in storytelling and everyday conversation. Culturally, jumping in puddles has been celebrated in songs, stories, and films, often used to symbolize joy, childhood, or a return to innocence. It's a motif that resonates with people across different ages and backgrounds, reminding us of the universal appeal of play and the outdoors. Additionally, it's referenced in various expressions or sayings that highlight the importance of enjoying life's simple moments or embracing a childlike wonder at the world around us. Jumping in puddles is more than just a childhood pastime. It's a rich phrase that captures the essence of joy, freedom, and the simple pleasures of life. Whether you're learning English or just exploring the depths of the language, remembering the significance of such expressions can add color and depth to your understanding and use of English. We hope this exploration has brought a splash of joy into your day and maybe even inspired you to find your own puddle to jump into, literally or metaphorically. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!